This is the DIY Garden Minute by Spoken Garden, teaching you tips and tricks for your garden in minutes. Find more quick topics at spokengarden.com and click on that Listen tab. Today, I want to talk to you about what summer flowering bulbs you can grow under different gardening conditions in your garden. If you're having trouble picking which summer flowering bulbs to add to your garden, we've got you covered. On this quick episode, I'm going to tell you 3 different summer flowering bulbs that you can plant in either full sun, part or full shade, maybe that are drought tolerant, or like really wet soils. So let's do this. First up, what summer flowering bulbs can you plant in full sun in your garden? Well, they are gladiolas, one of my favorites, dahlias, which have many different flower forms to choose from, and calla lilies. Now, what summer flowering bulbs thrive in part to mostly shade? They are elephant ears or Colocasia esculenta, hostas, and tuberous begonias. Now next we have summer flowering bulbs that are drought tolerant once you get them established in your garden. They include bearded iris, crocosmia, and liatris. And lastly, we have summer flowering bulbs that are perfectly happy in really wet or boggy soils. They are Siberian hybrid irises, again, elephant ears or Colocasia, and calla lilies. Now, if these don't sound good to add to your garden, there are so many more summer flowering bulbs to choose from. If you're looking for bulb planting or care videos, head over to our YouTube channel at Spoken Garden. You can also check out bulb care articles on our website at spokengarden.com. Links for all of these and the bulbs we talked about before will be in this episode's description. Happy bulb gardening! Thank you for listening. You can find other quick tip garden topics on our podcast page at spokengarden.com and click on that Listen tab at the top of the page. And make sure to subscribe to this podcast so you don't miss future quick garden episodes. We'll see you in the garden.